So firstly we are going to open our terminal here in our base folder, and we are going to create a file for our folder for our project. So and we are going to name it webssr. So our file has been created, and then we are going to create a virtual environment for our Python to install the packages in it. So web WebSSCR, and then we are going to create a virtual environment. For that we are going to use a command virtual env. So venv. So our virtual environment name venv has been created in the folder. So if we little bit check what is our folder, then there is a folder named venv in our project folder. So we have to activate that virtual environment. So first we have to activate it. So we are going to v source venv source venv bin and activate. So now our virtual environment has been activated. So now we can install our packages in it. So now first we are going to open our Visual Studio Code. So for that command, so you can see here a folder name venv. So now we are going to create a file in this for our Python project. So we are going to name it main.py. So now what we have to do, two two packages. So first one is requests. So we are going to import requests. So if they are telling import has been is not been resolved from source, so we have to install it first. So we are going to install it. So we are going to install it. So we can open new terminal here, and we can use a command name pip install requests. So now request has been installed. So and then the second file is pip install bs4. So these two packages we have to install. So now yes. So now we are going to import bs4 beautiful soap from bs4 from no, from bs4 import from bs4 import beautiful soap. So firstly we have to get the data from uh, our website. For that we are going to use get request.get function, but we have to store the data. Okay, so first we have to create a variable named data is equal to requests dot get. So what we want to get is a repository. So little quick, we are going to search a repository here to fetch the data. So okay, we want this URL, we copy it and then we paste in it here. So this is our URL from where we have to fetch our data. Then if we print it, so if we print it data and run this, you can see the response is 200. That means our we can mm, the response is 200. That means our everything is okay, website is sending our data, there is no error. So text. Uh, so this is actual data we are getting from the website, GitHub website. So we are what we are want to do is to format this data. So is equal to beautiful soap, beautiful soap, and then we have to pass our file that we have to format. So that is data, and then content of this data. And second requirement is HTML5 lib. This is formatting style for the beautiful soap. So we are going to create a table. So if you can see here, what we want is name of this repository. So we can inspect the elements and see. So here we are, what we want is, so if we go here, right here, so we want a snap there where the id is color fg default. So we are going to do that. So there is a command sop p dot find all, to find all. But what we have to pass the our parameter to. So span and span. So we are going to see where is